incredible painting of Felix Clousseau. In Paris, the royal palace was holding its grand contest of art. From all over the city, painters came to show their pictures. One of them was an unknown painter named Felix Clousseau. All the great artists were there to show off their wonderful paintings. Then Clousseau showed his painting. Outrageous, the judges cried. Never had they seen such a ridiculous painting. Then suddenly, a sound came from the painting. The judges were stunned. Clousseau was awarded the grand prize. They called him a genius. It was the first time in history a painting had quacked. But that was only half of it. Clousseau became famous, but soon there was trouble. A wealthy baroness owned a Clousseau painting called The Sleeping Boa Constrictor. One night, it awoke. In fact, wherever there was a Clousseau canvas, there was chaos. Dun dun dun! The public was furious. There were damages. Somebody had to pay. So Clousseau was sent to prison. Clousseau's paintings were seized, all except one. Meanwhile, a notorious jewel thief was on the loose. One night, the thief broke into the king's palace to steal the crown. The next morning, however, to the king's surprise, he found the thief caught in the grasp of a ferocious dog. The crown was saved. Clousseau was a hero. He was awarded the Medal of Honor. Released from prison, he went back to his studio and returned to his painting.